Training employees is important, but managing videos, acknowledgement, and completion records across multiple systems can quickly become difficult. With Fareclock Forms, you can deliver training, collect confirmations, and keep everything organized in one place. To get started, create a new form and give it a title that reflects your training program. This could be safety training, new employee onboarding, policy acknowledgements, equipment training, and any other workforce education process. Next, add your training content. Fareclock supports videos hosted from YouTube, Vimeo, and Google Drive, allowing workers to watch training materials directly within the form. This makes it easy to deliver important information without requiring employees to switch between multiple platforms. After the training video, you can require workers to acknowledge completion. Add a checkbox, electronic signature, or both to confirm they have reviewed and understood the training material. This creates a documented record of acknowledgement for future reference. You can also test understanding by adding quiz questions. Use text fields, drop-downs, or other form elements to verify that workers understand the information being presented. This is especially useful for safety procedures, compliance training, and policy updates. From the worker's perspective, the process is simple. They open the form, watch the training video, complete any required questions, provide acknowledgements, and submit the form directly from the device. Once submitted, managers can review training records, acknowledgements, signatures, and responses from a centralized location. These help simplify training administration and compliance tracking. While forms are perfect for video training, they can also be used for many other workflows. Businesses use forms for inspections, onboarding, incident reporting, compliance documentation, checklists, audits, surveys, and much more. Video training is just one of many ways Fareclock Forms can support your workforce operations. To learn more about configuring forms and exploring additional use cases, visit our Form Setup Help article for a complete guide to all available features.